Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you looking for an important message only to find out that it's been deleted? The recently deleted folder can be useful, but what if it's not there either? In this video, I will show you two of the most effective ways to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. Let's go. After testing various data recovery tools, I found one that consistently outperformed the rest and was able to restore even my oldest deleted messages. The actual recovery process requires a premium subscription, but don't worry, you can access the free trial where you can scan your device to see if the data you're looking for is still recoverable. Plus, you'll receive the lowest available price at a discounted rate when you install the software using my link in the description below. Okay. Now, let's begin with the recovery process. Launch the tool on your computer and choose from two recovery modes designed for different scenarios. If you've accidentally deleted data from your iPhone without a backup, the Recover Data from iOS Devices mode is the best choice. This tool can recover lost files, even those deleted a long time ago. After running this mode, connect your iPhone to your computer using the original or an MFI certified cable. Be sure to leave your iPhone unlocked and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the trust process when prompted. Once the software detects your device, select the Messages file type and click Scan to initiate the process. Depending on the file size, it may take some time for the software to scan your device. When the scan is complete, all recovered messages, both existing and deleted, will be displayed. You can choose to view all data or filter to show only deleted ones. Aside from that, you can sift through the messages you receive from different phone numbers on your device. Click on any recovered file to preview its contents and make sure it's the data you need. When you're done selecting the messages you want to retrieve, click Recover to Device to restore them directly on your iPhone. Or choose Recover to PC to save them to your computer and view them externally for a closer look once they've downloaded. Another recovery method you can use with this software is Recover from iTunes Backup. This makes it easy to access your iTunes backup without having to perform a full device restore. The software automatically displays all available iTunes backup files on your computer. If your backup file is not in the default location, you can manually add it using the Import Now option. Then, differentiate the backups by device name, date, model, or size. Select the backup point that is likely to contain the data you need and click Next to continue. In the next window, select Messages from the file type options and wait for the program to scan your iTunes backup for it. When the results are available, you can filter all data to include both existing and deleted items. Just review and select the files you need and save them to your device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.